Galactic High, Chapter 96, Over the Wall. Jack and his team find themselves facing yet another challenge in their fight against the oppressive alien elite. Their mission? Infiltrate a Shaskasaki Cybertronics distribution center. But the facility is locked down with high-tech security, patrolling drones, biometric scanners, and armed guards at every entrance. A frontal assault is suicide, and sneaking in through conventional means is near impossible. Instead, Jack sets his sights on an alternative route, scaling the district wall. This towering structure is designed to keep the lower classes confined, but as always, humans refuse to be caged. The team debates their options should they go over, under, or try to exploit a weakness in the system. Time is limited, and they need to act fast. The climb begins. Using a combination of climbing gear, cybernetic enhancements, and sheer determination, the team begins their ascent. Every movement has to be precise. One misstep could trigger alarms or attract unwanted attention. Jack leads the way, his mind racing with backup plans in case things go south. Halfway up, they encounter a problem. A patrol drone is heading straight for them. With seconds to react, Jack makes a daring call. Use the drone against its own system. Hacking into its network, they momentarily disable its sensors, buying them just enough time to continue upward undetected. The HFY moment. Outsmarting superior tech. This is where Galactic High truly embodies the HFY spirit. The Shaskasaki rely on overwhelming technological superiority, believing humans are no match for their systems. But Jack and his team prove them wrong by outthinking rather than outgunning their foes. Upon reaching the top, they must now bypass a high-voltage security grid. Traditional hacking won't cut it, so they improvise, using the drone's own power source to overload the grid momentarily. With precise timing, they leap across before the system resets. Once again, human adaptability wins the day. Mission accomplished for now. After scaling the wall, they make their way to an access point leading into the facility. The real mission is just beginning, but this chapter showcases exactly what makes humanity special in the Galactic High universe: courage, intelligence, and the refusal to accept limitations. As they prepare for the next stage of their infiltration, one thing is clear. The Shaskasaki may have superior tech, but they still don't understand what makes humans truly unstoppable. Final thoughts. Chapter 96 delivers a thrilling blend of strategy, action, and classic HFY defiance. Jack's ability to think on his feet and turn obstacles into opportunities makes this a standout moment in the series. Want more? Check out Galactic High on Royal Road and stay tuned for the next chapter breakdown.